Good morning. This is Chief Meteorologist Eric Tallman on February the 15th, 2015 at 8:38 a.m., which is our weather update. So this is what we're expecting. It is going to be very, very cold this week coming up once again because we do have that Arctic air that is going to stick around the metropolitan Detroit area. So this is what you can expect real quick, and then we're going to be working on the rest of the weather for you, and we'll be back later on this afternoon between 11:30 and 12 o'clock as we try and get the rest of the weather forecast and all that other stuff and radar and etc. ready for you. This morning, the wind chill warning is in effect until 12 o'clock, so we just want to let you know it is very dangerously cold outside. So if you have to be outside in this stuff, please be very careful. Only go out, ladies and gentlemen, if you really have to. I am very, very concerned about everyone's safety right now going in this stuff. For those that have breathing related issues such as asthma. If you have a breathing problem, you should not be out in this stuff because it wouldn't take long for you to have asthma attack or whatever kind of respiratory issue you have. So please be careful if you do have respiratory issues. You should not be out in this weather because it's very, very cold and it's very, very difficult for you to breathe. So I just want to let you know, and it doesn't matter if it's just a respiratory problem, it would affect you as well if you don't have asthma. So it could happen to anybody, just so you know. So the warning does remain in effect until 12 o'clock this afternoon. We'll have wind chills from minus 25 to 35 this morning. And then this afternoon, the temperatures are going to be around zero, and we'll have wind chills between minus 10 and minus 20. And when I come back in a couple of hours, we'll talk more about how long this Arctic air and cold temperatures are going to last, and when we're going to see more snow around here. We'll have another update on that, what you could expect for next week as well for the highs and lows. We'll talk about the rest of that at 11:30, and thank you so much for joining me. And that is our 8 o'clock update, and the time right now is 8:41, and you'll see me back here in a couple of hours. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'm Chief Meteorologist, and I'm always taking action for you and keeping you ahead of the storm. For more updated warnings and watches and headlines, we'll see you in a little bit. Thank you for joining me.